Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something almost everyone does but rarely thinks about: reheating food in plastic containers. You might be surprised to learn that this everyday habit could be messing with your hormones and long-term health. In this video, we'll break down what science actually says and what you can do about it. Let's dive in. Most plastic containers are made using chemical additives like BPA, phthalates, and other plasticizers. When you heat food in those containers, especially above 60 degrees Celsius, like in a microwave or with hot takeout, the plastic begins to break down, and those chemicals can migrate into your food. Heat weakens the chemical bonds in the plastic, making it easier for additives to leach out and enter your meal. Even plastics labeled microwave safe won't necessarily stop chemical migration. That label only means the container won't melt, not that it won't leach harmful substances. The two biggest troublemakers here are: 1. BPA, bisphenol A, used in many rigid plastics. Mimics estrogen in the body, meaning it pretends to be a hormone. It can bind to estrogen receptors and disrupt normal hormone signaling, even at very low concentrations. 2. Phthalates, used to make plastics soft and flexible. Linked to suppressed testosterone, reproductive issues, and metabolic disturbances. Research even shows that many plastics marketed as BPA-free still leach other chemicals with estrogenic activity, meaning they can still interfere with hormones. American Chemical Society publications. Multiple studies confirm that heating plastics increases the release of endocrine-disrupting chemicals into food. A lab analysis by PubMed found that heating plastic containers in a microwave causes migration of phthalates into food simulants, showing how these chemicals transfer from container into food. According to Science Direct, a different experiment discovered that cooking food in microwavable plastic containers can lead to the formation of new chemical substances and increased migration of plastic polymers into the food. And research done by American Chemical Society publications has shown that some BPA-free plastics still release chemicals with estrogen-like effects after common stresses like microwaving and UV exposure, sometimes even more than BPA plastics. So what actually happens inside your body when these chemicals enter your system? These chemicals are classified as endocrine disruptors, meaning they can interfere with normal hormone functions such as estrogen signaling, testosterone synthesis, thyroid and adrenal function, reproductive system development. Metabolic regulation and fat storage exposure has been associated in studies with infertility, developmental issues, hormone imbalance, obesity, insulin resistance, and reproductive problems. And because hormones are chemical messengers, even small disruptions can ripple across the entire body. Recent research also highlights broader risks tied to plastics beyond hormone disruption. For example, chemicals that leach from plastic food containers have been associated with inflammation, oxidative stress, and even changes to the gut microbiome, all of which can contribute to heart disease and chronic disease risk. This means the effects aren't just hormonal, they can impact overall health in a multifaceted way. So what should you do to protect yourself? Replace plastic with glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers when reheating food. If you must use plastic, transfer food to a different dish before heating. Avoid storing hot foods in plastic long-term. Especially be careful with children and pregnant people. Their developing systems are more sensitive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science-backed health tips. Have questions or topics you want us to cover next? Drop a comment below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.